The Moon, a celestial neighbor that has sparked human curiosity for millennia. Now, humanity is taking a giant leap forward in its exploration of this mysterious world. Welcome to the Lunar Gateway, a groundbreaking project led by NASA and its international partners that will redefine how we explore space. The Lunar Gateway is more than just a space station. It's humanity's stepping stone to the stars. Planned as a modular spacecraft orbiting the Moon approximately 70,000 kilometers away, the Gateway will serve as a hub for astronauts, cutting-edge scientific research, and future missions deeper into space. Unlike the International Space Station, which orbits Earth at an altitude of 400 kilometers, the Gateway's elliptical orbit, known as a near-rectilinear halo orbit (NRHO), provides strategic access to the lunar surface and deep space. At its core, the Gateway consists of several key modules. The Power and Propulsion Element, or PPE, will generate 60 kilowatt solar electric power, 3 times the energy of comparable systems. This module will also enable high-speed communications and precise orbital adjustments. The Habitation and Logistics Outpost, or HALO, will provide living quarters, workspace, and life support systems for up to 4 astronauts during short-term stays. Together, these modules form the foundation for a sustainable human presence in lunar orbit. Future additions will include international elements such as the European system providing refueling, infrastructure, and telecommunications, ESPRIT, and robotic arms from the Canadian Space Agency. Astronauts traveling to the Moon aboard NASA's Orion spacecraft will dock at the Gateway. From here, they'll descend to the lunar surface using advanced landers like SpaceX's Starship HLS, designed to transport crew and cargo for the Artemis program. By 2028, this system will facilitate longer stays and extensive surface exploration, targeting the Moon's South Pole, a region rich in water ice that could support both human life and fuel production. But the Gateway is not just about returning to the Moon. It's about preparing for the future. With international partners like the European Space Agency, Canada, and Japan, the Gateway will host experiments in lunar science, space weather observation, and advanced robotics. Its unique position will also allow astronomers to study the Sun's activity and cosmic phenomena without interference from Earth's atmosphere. Perhaps most exciting of all, the Gateway will act as a springboard for humanity's next big adventure, Mars. By testing life support systems, radiation shielding, and deep space propulsion in the challenging environment of lunar orbit, the Gateway lays the groundwork for the first human mission to the Red Planet. These advancements will address critical challenges like protecting astronauts from cosmic radiation and ensuring safe re-entry into Earth's atmosphere after long-duration space travel. The Lunar Gateway is more than a structure. It's a symbol of what we can achieve when we dream big and work together. It's a bridge between Earth, the Moon, and the infinite possibilities that lie beyond.